In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring invoices in accounting. If you bill the same client on a regular schedule, recurring invoices can save you time, reduce manual work, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish, and along the way I'll share a few tips to help you set it up right the first time. Start on your Akaunting dashboard and head to the Sales section, then open Invoices. This is where all your billing lives. At the top of the page, switch from the Invoices tab to the Recurring Templates tab. Regular invoices are one-offs. Recurring templates are blueprints that generate those invoices for you on a schedule. Think of the template as your repeatable setup. Once it's configured, Akaunting does the rest. Click New Recurring Invoice to create your template. You're now building the backbone of the invoices that will go out automatically. Begin by filling out the invoice details. Choose the customer, confirm the billing information, and add the items or services you typically include. Make sure descriptions are clear, quantities and prices are accurate, and any taxes or discounts reflect what you usually apply for this client. This is also a good time to double-check currency and payment terms, so every generated invoice is consistent and professional. Next, scroll down to the Schedule section. This is where you define how and when invoices will be created. Under Repeat, this invoice, pick the frequency that matches your agreement: daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or a custom pattern if your timing is unique. For example, monthly is ideal for subscriptions, while weekly works well for ongoing service retainers. Set. Create first invoice on to the exact date you want the first invoice to be generated. Align this with your billing cycle so the timing matches your contract or customer expectations. For end, decide how long this should run. You can stop after a specific date, after a chosen number of occurrences, or set it to never end if it's an ongoing arrangement. If your engagement is open-ended, selecting never is the simplest choice. If you want the system to send invoices without you lifting a finger, turn on Send Email automatically. Before you rely on this, make sure the customer's email is correct and that your message template looks the way you want. When everything looks good, click Save. Akaunting will now generate and, if enabled, email invoices based on the schedule you set. That's it. Your recurring billing is ready to go, giving you more time to focus on your business while staying consistent and on time with invoicing.